Alright, we're at 5632 East Towner Street. Taking a look at the AC unit. So what are we looking at?
We're looking at the fins. Got severe damaged. It hit all the way to the tubing inside the fins.
Okay.
And they being compromised. Here's one, as well as this one right here. And I said this one right here is pretty bad. I not even want to try to comment because that can crack at any time and can leak refrigerant in our face.
Okay, yeah, we can see where a lot of these lines have been compromised.